Hello, it's Dr. Young. I'm going to go over your week 7 assignments. Sorry, you have more than one. You have a teamwork assignment this week, and a discussion and an individual work assignment. So let's go over the discussion first. We're going to just respond to all of these prompts here. Which of the core dimension, you're obviously going to read your chapter, and then you're going to talk about which of the core job dimensions is most important to you and why, which are present in your current job or your last job. And if you can't draw from that, then you can draw from observations from a place of employment on film or TV. But I would really prefer you use a current or past job. Thinking about your current or most recent job, how would you modify the core job dimensions to increase their motivational influence? So basically, we're just talking about the job dimensions. So make sure to read your chapter and your lecture so that you can answer. You're identifying all 5 dimensions and then applying that to this situation of your current or previous job. A teamwork assignment. Devise a career plan, create a resume. Now, make sure that you participate on the board. In other words, when you post your resume, and you need to make sure to give other team members feedback on their resume. And I need you to make sure to spend some time on your responses and make sure that it's helpful to your classmates. Don't just write "good job" or "I like your resume." Give some constructive criticism some suggestions is really how you should work. You should approach this. Just suggest some possible ways they can improve their resume and give them some good feedback on their resume and some positive comments. That's really all you're doing here. Make sure to you want to make sure that you proofread your resume carefully, because a lot of times what I'll do is get students that will post a resume and it's a lot of errors. I want you to give me the best resume that you have, and if it's not so great, work on it before you post it. Give me your best work. Don't just throw something on there. So the thing about the teamwork assignments is someone needs to step up and be team leader. Somebody needs to volunteer for that. What will happen if you don't is that everyone will lose 10 points. In other words, if you post your resume and you respond to your students, but no one steps up to be team leader and post that assignment in the Dropbox, then that's going to cost everybody points. Basically, what you want to do is, alright, so you're going to post your resume. What I want to do is I want the team leader to compile all the comments and suggestions on the team board, and then come up with a document that has some tips for the resume, for creating a resume. That's what I'm looking for the final document. So what does that mean? What that means is whoever steps up to be team leader needs to go through all of the comments on the teamwork board, all this, and gather all the suggestions that were made, and then come up with a like a best practices sheet for creating a resume. So let's say you're looking through the post and you're looking at one resume, we'll just say your resume, the comments that were made on your resume. Well, what were the suggestions? Somebody might have said, make sure to, capitalize this, or make sure to quantify your achievements. Anything that you can draw out of that, put it on a Word document, submit it as the final document. into the team Dropbox, not the general doc. I'm sorry, the team doc sharing. So let me go there. I'm gonna go ahead. When you go to doc sharing, you see here you've got your regular. This is like your general doc sharing. Don't put it here. Put it in your group's doc sharing box, whether it's A, B, C, or D. That's where I want to see it. Make sure to put it in there. And that's really all. Try to step up early. I need to see a team leader early in the week. I don't want to see a last minute someone saying, I'll do it. I mean, the point is getting it in on time, but I see this a lot where no one identifies a team leader and then no one thinks about it, and then there you go. At the end, you've got everyone loses 10 points. So let's make sure to identify one early in the week. Especially since the fact that the fact is if you step up early in the week, then you can monitor the discussion board and gather your document as you go. I mean, think about it. If you start early, then you can look on Tuesday and see what suggestions were made, and then add it to your Word document, and then Wednesday and so forth, and it kind of makes it easier instead of having it all the work bottlenecked into the last day, and you're scrambling to get it done. So that's a suggestion that I have for that. But anyway, in the individual work assignment, your last one, you need to develop a career plan. Here's a template. Using the career plan template provided below, develop your career plan for either your current or your dream job. Doesn't matter which one. But use this template, and I'm getting ready to pull it up as soon as it comes up. There it is. Now, what I want to see here, I need you to fill in all of this. Don't skip target dates. Don't skip this part. Don't skip, make sure to fill all these out. Don't want to see any blanks. That's going to get you the maximum points. And that's really all there is for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I'll be happy to assist you. Again, make sure that you fill in this template. The teamwork, get started early. The earlier you get started, the more there is to respond to for other students. Actually, I also have the tip sheet here. Looks like some people have already posted, which is awesome because it's just Monday. What I really like to see on team boards is communication between students. Keep communicating, keep posting. And that's really all. So I look forward to hearing from you in class. And let me know if you need any assistance this week. Thanks, and have a great day.